Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing, unbagging. Now this is not something I would normally open on the channel, but I am, and I'll explain why in a minute. So, if I can get this open, that would be great. So I'm not sure why this came in a box. If this is what I think it is, it doesn't really need to be in a box. Oh. Okay. So, look how they packaged this. So this is what I ordered. And they put it in this big box, just I guess they were afraid it would break. So let me just toss this other box. So this is Sally Hansen Nail Growth Miracle Serum. And I'm showing you this because I shared my nail wraps with you. These are older ones. They need to be replaced soon. And ever since I started using these, my nails have been breaking. Now, I don't know if it's a coincidence or what, but all of my nails were really long when I started, and now I find when I'm using my hands, what happens is I'll push down, and my nail is like bending backward. So what might have happened is I just might have let them all grow too long, just because they look so pretty long. I don't usually have really long nails. I usually keep them, I would say no longer than this one right here is as long as I usually let them go. But because more of the nail wraps show, I think I let them grow longer than normal, and then they all started breaking. So anyway, I bought this Sally Hansen Nail Growth Miracle Serum. It has a lot of really good reviews on Amazon. So it is $10.99 today. I don't know if that's what I paid it or for it or what. Hang on. You know how they change their prices quite often? Yeah, it was $10.99 also the day I ordered it. And it has 1,943 ratings, and they're 4-star. So the next one up that had 5-star was like 3 or 4 times as expensive. This was only $10.99. I thought I'd give it a shot. So you can see what the packaging looks like. And here is the back. Alright, so it says, what is it? Our breakthrough serum infused with keratin, designed to support natural growth and perfect your cuticles. And you can read this if you want. It helps to become resistant to damage while cuticles are softer and smoother. Longer fortified nails. It says just in 2 weeks. Massage 1 drop on each nail and cuticle daily. Use on bare nails or over any color. So I don't color my nails. And it says they're visibly longer in 2 weeks, but your nails naturally going to get visibly longer in 2 weeks. So I don't know how good this stuff is, but we'll see what it's like. And I'm going to probably just recover these when I take them off. But, oh, it looks like the lid comes separately, you guys. Oh, that's the dropper. Okay. So the dropper's not just in the box. Oh, that's different. So usually when you order something like this, the dropper is just like right in there. But here you have to do it separately. I really like the gold tone. I didn't really realize it was going to be this gold. It's so pretty. Although in the picture, it's clear and it looks gold, but it doesn't look like this metallic gold. It's a very pretty little bottle. I'll let you know how it works out after I finish trying these. And yeah, but I won't be able to use them every day. I'll just be able to use them like probably once a week. I think I've been leaving my nail wraps on too long because I've been leaving them on. Well, the first one I only left a week, but after that I left some for 2 weeks. And I haven't been wearing my gloves when I do my dishwashing. So I think what happens is the water gets underneath and it leaves your nails icky. So, but I still will be putting these on, I think, for the foreseeable future. I ordered more. They should be in pretty soon. Alright, so that's it. I really don't have anything more to say. $10.99, Amazon.ca. I'll put the link down below. If you've tried this, let me know what you think of it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care and stay safe. Bye guys!